Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. I avoid overclicking. One good trade beats 5 random ones. The goal is flow, not frenzy. Speed tests discipline, not luck. The faster the move, the slower I breathe. Control stays internal. Here we open a buy trade after a strong price pullback. We are entering a bit ahead of the move. I expect that the trend to resume upward after this corrective candle. Let's highlight the working area and draw a trend line. Based on the price dynamics, we have a good point of contact here, right after the pullback, and that's why we are opening the trade for an upward movement. The zigzag indicator hasn't updated yet, which means the price should continue rising, forming a new local high. The last 10 seconds of the trade are remaining. Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today. And once again, the trade closes in profit. Moment is like a wave. It builds, peaks and fades. I watch how candles change size and speed over time. When I see smaller bodies after long pushes, I get alert. It means one side is losing energy and the tide is shifting. Direction changes slowly before it flips completely. One rule: I enter only if I can exit fast. Impulse trades aren't about holding, that's about timing. 2 candles maximum, then out. You win by precision, not duration. That's the scalper's rhythm. Here we will open a sell trade. Going against the main trend, this time it within an upward movement. We can see that the zigzag indicator hasn't updated, so we can assume that the price movement may go downward within the next minute. Additionally, we notice a MACD crossover with strong histogram volume. And on top of that, the ADX indicator shows a weak trend strength. Its main line is below the 26 level, which also suggests that the price should move down. In the final 10 seconds, we can already see the result. The trade closes successfully in profit. Another habit of mine is watching candle rhythm closely. The chart expands, pauses, and resets before moving again. This rhythm becomes clearer with enough screen time. When the pace aligns with the direction, I enter confidently. Rhythm often exposes the oncoming impulse. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now.